your body. I really wanna get naughty. I think you're so.
Hi everyone, it's Adyel here and welcome back to my channel. Oh, okay, she's Glaze. She's holiday ready. And I want to give a huge thank you to Deck of Scarlet for sponsoring this video. But yeah, today I'm doing a holiday get ready with me. Today I really wanted to play around with my new Deck of Scarlet makeup products and just create something that I would wear for the holidays. This I feel like gives me more Thanksgiving vibes. You know, it's kind of fall, warm. If you watch me on my channel a lot, you've probably already heard of Deck of Scarlet, but if you haven't, they are a high performance, high quality makeup brand that strives to break the boredom of clean beauty. They are 100% vegan and cruelty free, and my favorite part is it is clean. They have a list of over 1,500 ingredients that they do not use in their product. Their products are honestly so innovative and unique. As someone who studied the beauty industry and product development, literally they have me shook. But yeah, we're gonna talk all about the products in this video. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up to let me know how you like it. Also comment down below on your thoughts and your Thanksgiving plans and what look you're gonna rock this year. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, please be sure to do so. It is such a fun time around here and I would absolutely love it if you stuck around. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this makeup look. Okay, so I'm going to do the updated face routine that I've been doing lately. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and speed it up while I voice over it to save time. So yeah, I woke up today with my skin hating me, so we definitely need to do a transformation here. Let's get started.
Okay, I'm starting off by cleaning up my brows with an eyebrow razor, and sorry that my MacBook is breathing hella hard, but I've been all about the dewy skin lately, so I first go in with my Too Faced Hydrating Hangover Primer and the new Jaclyn Hill Under Eye Primer, and then I've been going in with an OG favorite, the LA HD foundation, the dewy one, my Fenty Matchstick, and then I've been cream contouring and cream blush all day every day lately. So let me know if you want a more in-depth routine. I know this is super fast, but here going in with the Glossier blush and then also going in with a Too Faced concealer to clean up my brows, and I do this after the contour and blush just to kind of finalize the face, and then going in and setting with the mix of the Laura Mercier powder and the new Jaclyn Hill brightening powder, my Hello Happy Benefit one.
So this base today is Chef's Kiss. I don't know how much I said while I was voiceovering, but guys, do not sleep on cream products. Like your girl, I slept on them for a long time. I was like, no, I don't like feeling greasy or like that it's gonna slide off, or like I hug someone and it's just gonna come off. I still kind of have that fear, don't get me wrong. Like sometimes it just feels very like slippery, you know, and like I'll go in with the powder to, you know, just lock it in a little bit. But I've just been loving glowy luminous skin, so I always alternate. It's so weird. A few years back I was like glowy, and I actually was sticking to this foundation, and then I switched over matte, and now I'm back to glowy. I just love it. It looks lit from within, and I just love how the cream products make my skin look healthy and glowy, and we're loving it. So, oh, I forgot to do my brows. I've been sticking to really simple brow routine, just Gimme Brow and 24-hour brow setter. This used to be like an older routine of mine, but you guys know me, brows have never really been my forte. But natural for me is just the wave. Like I love the way that my brows normally are, and then I personally don't really like laminated brows in general. No offense to you if you do, it's just my personal preference, especially on myself. I feel like I already have a pretty thick brow frame, so when I have like too much brow going on, it just looks a little crazy on me. So I just fill in with Gimme Brow because it adds that color. I'll alternate, you know, sometimes I go in with pencil, but I just feel like this is the easiest and most natural and most foolproof, so I don't end up going too overboard. And then I lock it in with my 24-hour brow setter. So we're not even done with the face and with all the glow. Wait until I get into all of these products right now. I might even tone down and mattify the face a little bit more. We will see. But yeah, let's get into all of our Deck of Scarlet products. I'm so excited. They sent me a variety of things. So first off, their Mirror Glaze Highlighted Trios. We're gonna run through the products real quick, and then I'm gonna show you kind of my thought process for the look that I want to do today. They sent me over 2 of these. Very beautiful and sleek packaging. So they sent me one in Rose All Day and Gold Standard standard, and I'm just gonna do a bunch of swatches for you guys. So first, Rosé All Day, and then they have a gel cream formula underneath. You can mix both of them, or you could just do the powder. Look how amazing this jelly is. I'm just gonna put a little bit there to swatch it so you could see. So beautiful. So this will give you like a subtle glossy finish, and then if you want like a lit from within look, y'all, don't even play with these highlights. But bam, they are so beautiful. So this is the Rosé All Day. You can layer them to create like a really wow effect, which, not gonna lie, is probably what I'm gonna do. And then moving on to their gold standard one, which is the one I'm probably gonna use today. Look how stunning. I love this gold. It is so unique. Did you just see that right now? And then this one is a perfect complement. It has like a little bit of iridescence to it. Woo! So beautiful. And then this jelly, do not even get me started. That is so beautiful, especially if you have a deeper skin tone. But yeah, and then they sent me over their solid lip oils, which are a classic favorite of mine in my collection. We will swatch and talk about these a little bit later when we're ready to move on to the lips. Another classic favorite of mine, their Metal Leaf Shadow Pot. They sent over these 3 colors, and they sent me their Dual Drama liquid eyeliners. So as you can see, they just shift in the light. I think I'm gonna use this one. I don't know if you could tell, I'm kind of gonna go for like a Thanksgiving champagne, we're giving holiday kind of look today. So yeah, the one end is black, and this is just my favorite type of liquid liner applicator ever. Like, look at that. So this is the shade Dark Matter, which I'm probably gonna use. It has like rainbow reflection, but it has that gold base. Sorry, this is Solar Flare, and then this one is Interstellar. This one gives off that bam blue green. Speaking of, this shadow pot is in Night Fever. I use their Metal Leaf shadow pots in another tutorial, and I showed you guys them, and they are just absolutely unreal. They are the perfect easy eyeshadow. Just glide them on and you have your completed makeup look. I am actually not going to use the blue today. This is so beautiful, and if you want a pop, or if you want to do something different for this holiday season, the blue would be a beautiful pop even on the lower lash line. And yeah, we have these other 2 shades. This is Megawatt right here, beautiful copper, and Smashed Crystal, which I believe I used last time. It is just the most beautiful iridescent champagnes. They are staying on good. My makeup wipe does not want to take them off. So I am going to go ahead and wash my hands real quick and fix my contact lens, and I will be right back. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I am thinking really champagne, really glowy. I do want to use a little tiny bit of the Metal Leaf, but I also really want to have that pop with the liner, and I don't want it to be too much. So I'm even thinking of using this on the eyes. So we're just gonna play around. The only thing I'm missing is a matte shadow, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take the transition brush that I pretty much use every single time I do my makeup, and it just has a leftover like warm brown, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take the leftover product. I love doing this. If you want like a subtle definition and not too much in your face, using your leftover brushes really just does the job. So I'm just gonna add definition into the crease. I want the focus to be on the Deck of Scarlet products and really that liner. I'm so excited to use that liner because I feel like I don't really experiment with colored liners like that, and it just builds up on its own. No new product on it. Perfect. Okay, so I'm really trying to figure out what to do here. I kind of want to go ahead and put the jelly on my eye, so let's do that. I'm gonna take the tiny bit of jelly, dab it on my hand. Ooh, yes. And then I'm gonna swipe it lightly with my finger onto my eyelid. This is just gonna serve as the base. Okay, zooming guys in a little bit. Sorry if you see my friggin' pimples, but I really want this honey gold color on the inner corner, and then the summer gold on the middle parts, also working in the Metal Leaf. So I'm gonna go in with my middle finger. Oh, do I even need to say anything? She said Thanksgiving. She's the main entree. She is the turkey. All right, maybe not the turkey. Yes. So I'm really feeling this. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring it up even to the top right here, like very subtly. So the color is mainly concentrated on the lid, but you see that? You see what she's giving? Oh my god. This is so pigmented, I almost don't even need a metal leaf to come in because this is just beautiful. Like this would be a daily product for me in my routine because it just adds that pop without even trying. Like this took me all of 10 seconds. Anyway, while I do this, I feel like I have talked to you guys. This has been like kind of more of a literal like get ready with me look at the products. How are you guys doing? I can't believe, first of all, Halloween was yesterday and it's already about to be Thanksgiving. Like who, what, when, and where. Also, I'm gonna just start taking Summer Gold right next to it. Ooh, yeah, I almost don't want to add in a metal leaf because I did that in the last tutorial I did featuring Deca Scarlet. But anyways, what are you guys doing for the holidays this year? I literally can't believe it. 2021 is coming to an end. We're already here. My birthday's coming up. You guys don't know, I'm a Capricorn. My birthday's December 23rd, so it's gonna come up hella fast. At least the shoot. So I'm planning my birthday shoot that I do annually. I am gonna take the metal leaf in Megawatt right now on my pinky and add a little bit of, actually, in the center. Okay, it added a little bit of pop. Not like a ginormous fan of that, but you know what? We're just gonna go with the flow. Okay, actually, I'm not mad at it. I'm just gonna go and layer the other two on top, just so that there's like a little bit. Ooh, I just didn't want the placement to be right there. And it kind of just happened that way. I noticed with these, if you swipe down, it's better than swiping side to side. Anyways, 2021 has just not been my year, and I didn't do one for 2020 actually, but I'm gonna bring it back this year. I used to do like a yearly reflection, so I'm gonna bring that back and spill the tea there. But I am excited for the holidays and for just everything coming up and for a new start. This year, I feel like it always varies when I go home for the holidays and when I don't. You guys know I work full-time now and I work mostly remote, so I don't think it would have been like an issue if I did go home for the holidays, but you know, it's just a lot sometimes. I've just gotten used to like picking and choosing which holidays to come home for. So I'm spending Thanksgiving and Christmas this year, and you guys know I love spending my birthday in LA, but I will be with my man's family, which I'm so grateful to have like a second family out here. I'll do my eyeliner. That's where I will be this Thanksgiving. I am making baked mac and cheese and mashed potatoes, so I'm excited. Stay tuned on my IG stories. I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the black liner first, and then we're gonna layer that colored liner on top. I'm actually gonna go ahead and do this off camera because I'm feeling a little pressure right now. Okay, so I added the liner. I think normally I probably would skip on the liner just because it's so beautiful monochromatic, but let's see how layering this color liner on top goes. Ooh, okay, never mind. Scratch what I said. Do we see that? I actually like how it looks layered on top of the black because it has that definition but also the pop. It makes the black liner stand out a lot more. It's very different. So yes, I love it. It also looks like the metal leaf. Okay, so actually before I go ahead and put my lashes on, oh damn, it's already 3. I did not realize that. I was like, why is it getting gloomy? Oh wait, the sun is about to set in an hour. That being said, I'm gonna go ahead and layer on my powder bronzer. And actually for once, I'm not gonna go heavy on the blush because we are gonna have like heavy highlights. So I'm just taking the excess blush on my brush. And we already put that cream blush, so there's like a little bit of color there. I feel like I don't ever use heavy highlight anymore, but I do want to get into this honey gold. So I'm gonna go ahead and really pop this even more on my inner corner and the brow bone. This is like a bam in your face highlighter, so you do have to be like a little bit careful with it unless you want it to be super dramatic and be glowing at the Thanksgiving table. They also have their Glow Big or Go Home highlighter brush, which is like a super unique shape. This one is densely packed. It's more for the jelly, which I'm not actually going to use just because it's a little too dark for my skin tone, but I am going to put this honey gold on the tippy top of my cheekbone with this fan brush. Oh my god, yeah. feels so weird because I don't ever heavy highlight anymore. Yes, yes, and yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on. I feel like the look is so complete already that we barely need lashes, but we always do. So let me pop these on and I will be right back. So I feel like I am glowy. I am in love with this look. These lashes, they are by The Beauty Store, and I don't have the style because they were in my little lash box, but I'm pretty sure these are some of my faves in hazel. So I just love the dimension to this look, and we are actually gonna finish off with their solid lip oils. I'm in love with this formula. It is unlike any other that I've tried. I will do some swatches for you guys. They just glide on. They are so pigmented, as you can see, but they are a lip oil. So it's kind of like a creamy luxe glossy finish. I actually swatched a ton of them a few years back. Sorry, this one is Merlot Moves. This one is Bordeaux Baby. This one is Purple Rain. We have Scarlet Passion, which is this beautiful red, like wow. And then the one that I probably will end up using is I'm a nude girl is Cocoa Spice. Love. So as you can see, the lip can kind of change the look. You could go with the nice holiday red for Thanksgiving. I like to go with the classic nude like Cocoa Spice. Not just because I love nudes, but you know, you're eating and you have all of that everywhere. But this is also a beautiful color, like a deeper nude. The purple is such a bomb pop if you would want something like that. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna glide this Merlot Moves on my bottom lip, or maybe my top, just so you could see. Okay, like formula hello. Oh my god, my lips look like Betty Boop right now, but you know, this would be a really nice holiday moment. I love that you could also do like a kind of a lip tint with these if you wanted, but I am going to line my lips with my lip pencil in Bare, which needs to go be sharpened right now, and put on Cocoa Spice. I might as well, I'm gonna take my Tarte Double Duty Beauty Stay Spray to finish off the face. Oops, sorry, got to press record, but this has been an OG favorite lip liner of mine for literal years. And I love that you could push the product up. I actually on Thanksgiving will be wearing a matte lip to avoid like any messiness. However, so beautiful and certainly hydrating. We love it here. I actually still think this is too dark for me personally, so I'm just gonna wipe a little bit of it off so it gives that tint, you know what I mean? Like I want that rosiness and that tone of my natural lip color, but like a little bit of darkness because you know it is a fall holiday, and then I don't want to stick to like my usual boring milky nude. So there we go. So that is actually it for this makeup tutorial. So here's the completed face and the completed makeup tutorial. Thank you so much to Deca Scarlet. I will have a discount code for you guys down below. Definitely be sure to shop. I love how this turned out and just how much dimension and glowiness it has to it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below what you're doing for Thanksgiving and what kind of look you are gonna rock. To be honest, depending on how I feel, I might even just do barefaced and call it a day, because Thanksgiving is just one of those holidays where it's like, hold on. But yeah, I miss you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye everyone.